Hello everyone. I am so glad that I am able to talk to you. This is regarding my feedback and my user experience of Freedom software. I started using Freedom in 2019 when we went live on April 1st. And we have seen so many changes in the company. We have grown, we have increased the number of units. We first started with one unit in Bangalore, then we came to a second unit and we've added products, we've added customers, and we've had absolutely no problem with having this ERP system which has taken care of all the scenarios. New customers added, new products added, bill of materials, all of the processes is so fantastic, and I am extremely pleased that Freedom software is doing well. I wish Mr. Armugam and his team all the best for a fantastic time ahead. Thank you.